Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking the question, are retirement visa options becoming increasingly Byzantine here in Thailand, increasingly complex? And I thought of this when I was reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Retiring to Thailand Just Got More Confusing. Quoting directly, the government's recent announcement of long-term residency or LTR visas for retirees aged at least 50, adds yet another layer of complexity to an already overcrowded field. Yeah, just my commentary here. It's a very good point. I urge those who are watching this video to check out that article on pattayamail.com. But the Thai immigration system, it's almost like a stalactite or a stalagmite, if you will. It sort of accretes over time. And as time goes on, different governments come through. They'll add a new visa here, a new requirement there. If you go back and you talk to some of the older folks, and I urge those who look to live in Thailand or live in Thailand who are younger, talk to guys that have been here 40, 50 plus years. They have a lot of insight into how things that are operating now came about or evolved or what they were like when they were dealing with them. But one thing that I thought was interesting talking to folks, I mean, there was a time when you came into Thailand and they basically just said, are you a tourist or are you staying? If you said you were staying, they stamped you a resident at the airport. And this was before work permits. So you were just done. You could just wander around Thailand, work, do what you wanted. And then later they added things like work authorization. But over time, it accreted until you have this rather complex Byzantine system. Quoting further, in exchange for a 10-year visa, actually 5 times 2, and the privilege of avoiding the queues at immigration for the 90 days report. I'm going to do a specific video on that. I'm not so sure that you can avoid 90-day reporting. Quoting further, applicants must show an annual income of at least $40,000 plus US dollar $250,000, so $250,000 in government bonds or yet to be defined real estate purchase. So as we've noted, I don't really think these newly proposed long-term visas are going to be overly useful for the vast majority of expats or prospective expats here in Thailand. That said, remains to be seen. We've yet to see this fully rolled out, and more importantly, we've yet to see the rubber hit the road with respect to the practicalities. So stay tuned and we'll keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.